don't know. What year is this one, you know?
It's a 2006.
All right. That's how G did it.
Hey, it's got the same headliner issue.
There you go. Yeah. All right, I'll take it out my side.
Yeah, that'll work there.
Hello?
Hey, this is Aaron from Cal Truck. I'm trying to get a hold of Sarah. She gave this as a secondary number. Do you know who that is?
Yeah, it's my mom.
Oh, hey, I'm calling because I noticed we've got her van here and she was having a repaint done. And we've been moving this box around for a couple weeks now. And it finally kind of poked out the side. And it's a trailer hitch, right? Do you want, like, is that for this vehicle or is there any particular reason why she's been toting that thing around?
Yeah, my mom ordered it a couple months ago and she wanted to put it on for her like kayaks and her bikes and her paddle boards, but she never really got around to putting it on. Can you guys put that on for me?
Yeah, I can get that taken care of. That actually works great for me, so I can get it out of the way because we're getting ready to do the headliner and the other stuff. So I can get that thing out of the way and then put on. That's cool. Hopefully we should be done with it in the next week or so. So if you can let her know that. And then other than that, unless you have anything, that's pretty much all I needed to know.
Actually, I do have a question. So I've driven the van a couple times and I could tell by like how tiny the tires are and those ugly hubcaps. Like if she's gonna get the paint and the headliner done, I feel like we should get rims and tires. Do you know anybody who could do that?
Yeah, actually, I know of a rim place over in Stockton. I've used him a couple times. He's got he's got semi-truck rims and everything else. I can't guarantee anything because, like I said, I kind of had like a deadline on when I told her I'd have this thing done. But let me roll over there and I can see if maybe he has something in stock that I can put on. Is there like any particular type you're looking for? You looking for like, she's adventurous, right?
Yeah, something hefty, a hefty tire.
Okay, well, since we're going like, let me see what he has in stock, and then I'll make a kind of a somewhat adjustment. I might send you photos or whatever and let me know if you think those would work.
Okay, perfect. That's perfect. Thank you.
All right, cool. Thank you. Other than that, like I said, let her know it should be pretty much the end of this week, and then it'll be done and she can come pick it up.
All right, perfect. I'll let her know. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Bye.
No problem. Bye-bye.
What's the shop called?
Oakdale Auto Repair.
Oh,
It's over there with Chris. We'll shoot over there real quick because he's got the 2-post lift, so it'll make putting that hitch on a lot easier.
The whole entire thing. So, and that's what I was saying. So this one, I took all the doors off, took the hatch off, hood off, bumpers, everything. We're what, 3 weeks?
yeah, 3 weeks in.
3 weeks. Full body, paint, the whole nine. So that's
It looks like it goes up in there, and then there's another one there.
How you guys doing?
What's up, Ash? How you doing,
Hey,
man?
what's up, man? How you been? Good.
Trying to hang in there.
How are you?
Yeah, it's Richard.
Richard. Yeah, man, I remember him. How can I help you today?
Hey, so I'm kind of up against it. I got a customer that they had us do a full repaint on their van. Her daughter called me and she was trying to see if we could get some rims
Okay.
on it. Now I don't know if you guys will have anything. I know they want like kind of like a chunkier like tire, you know what I mean? Because the mom does a lot of paddle boarding.
Okay.
She does like mountain bike riding and stuff. Like I put a rear hitch on it for her and some other stuff. So I'm trying to get like, and I did like a dark charcoal on the paint. So I was thinking like maybe some like flat black
or satin black.
Yeah, something like that.
And the tires, I just want to cover on the tires. When you say you want something chunky, you trying to go with an all-terrain look or a mud-terrain look?
Probably all terrain. I don't know. What do you think, man?
What size are you looking for the wheels? 16, 18?
Don't want to go 18s because I don't want the ride to suffer too much.
No, that's good. So I can
You know
show
what I mean?
I got these 16 KMC wheels, rust resistance. If you even look online, they got really positive reviews on it.
It's got like that industrial style look to it, doesn't it? Huh?
Yes, sir. So it's that'd be good, and then you could go with some all-terrain tires to go with them, just like that right there. And
You have them in stock?
Yeah, we got them in stock.
Okay.
Definitely fill all your needs.
Yeah, you'd be able to get it done for me today?
Yeah, we could get it done for today.
Sweet, man. Wrap it up. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra years.
So are you basically painting it or are you peeling off the... Huh? Cutting it? Gotcha. Yeah, gotcha. Hey, so when they do them, it's technically white rubber underneath? Gotcha.
Streets is coming up.
Okay.
It's gonna be big. That's where I go. I go basically to the King of the Streets and San Francisco Low Rider Council. That's my green. That's my green thing.
You ever go like the Reno? Was it August Nights?
Yeah, been down there a couple times.
Well, you moved to Reno, so I'm assuming you have.
I love Reno, dude. I just need to give me a Jeep. Give me a Jeep and then